So next is future tense. So four form of future tense are simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So what is simple future or future indefinite tense? So in future indefinite tense or simple future tense, in simple affirmative sentences, you have to use subject plus shall or will, first form of verb plus object. For example, he will go to Agra tomorrow. I shall see the Qutub Minar during the coming holidays. And in negative sentences, subject plus shall will plus not, first form of verb and object. And example, he will not go to Agra tomorrow. I shall not see the Qutub Minar during the coming holiday. And interrogative sentences, shall will plus subject, first form of the verb plus object and question mark. Will he go to Agra tomorrow? Shall he see the Qutub Minar during the coming holidays? And in interrogative sentences, use shall will plus subject plus not plus object plus in then question mark. In the interrogative negative sentences, for example, shall I not learn this course? Will he not go to Agra tomorrow? Shall I not see him tomorrow? So in future indefinite tense, the simple future or future indefinite tense is used for an action that has still to take place. I shall see him tomorrow. Tomorrow will be holiday. I shall call on you next Sunday. And to show an action in which an adverb clause if, unless, when in the adverb clause if, unless, when, etc. is given in the simple present tense, then till you reach the station in time, you will not catch the train. If Geeta work hard, she will pass. Unless you mend your ways, you will not succeed in life. So remember, in simple future tense, that can be expressed in a number of ways. For example, by using the present progressive tense, Chief Minister is addressing the people next week. By using the present tense, the college reopens next month. By using will or shall, sentence will be I shall meet you tomorrow. Future continuous tense. Next is future continuous tense. So in future continuous tense, simple sentences or affirmative sentences, use of a subject plus will shall plus be, first form of verb, ing plus object. They will be playing football. Rekha will be writing letters. I shall be singing a song. In negative sentences, subject plus will shall plus not be, first form of verb, ing plus object. They will not be playing football. Rekha will not be writing letters. I shall not be singing a song. Interrogative sentences, shall, will plus subject, be plus first form of verb, ing plus object. Will they be playing football? Shall I be singing a song? Will Rekha be writing letters? And interrogative sentences, shall, will plus subject plus not be, first form verb, ing and object, and in the end question mark. So will they not be playing football? Shall I not be singing a song? Will Rekha not be writing letters? Next is future perfect tense. So in future perfect tense, affirmative sentences or simple sentences, subject plus will shall, have plus third form of verb plus object. I shall have eaten the food. The train will have left before he reaches the station. They will have returned your money by next Monday. And in negative sentences, subject plus will shall plus not plus have plus third form of verb plus object. I shall not have eaten the food. He will not have played. She will not have revised his course by tomorrow. Interrogative sentences: shall well plus subject plus have, third form of verb plus object. Shall I have eaten the food? Will he have revised his course by tomorrow? Shall I have finished my paper tomorrow by this time? And interrogative negative sentences: will, shall plus subject plus not plus have plus third form of verb plus object. Shall I not have eaten the food? Will he not have revised his course by tomorrow? Shall I not have finished my paper tomorrow by this time?